So that was, remember the map? So our outscale is our infrastructure. So great question. And that's why we're proceeding very cautiously with AI. And because we know that IP and your guys' information is paramount to all of this. So, and I'm going to talk a lot about this through this presentation, but we have control over it. Okay. So how are you as designers going to be able to take advantage of this? I mean, one is you're going to be going from concept to manufacturing quicker by accelerating your design, improving quality. I'll show you some of those capabilities. Another bit is reducing repetitive tasks, right? Capturing that information, that knowledge and know-how you're generating on your own, plus everything that we've accumulated over 44 years to benefit you. And then also the capture and reuse. I kind of mentioned that. But I think, again, what's very important for you guys to understand is security and privacy is one of our most important things we're focusing on with this. If you guys want to find out, like if you got IT guys saying, no, there's no way we're doing this, I need all this information about IT trust or IT security, go to the Trust Center on the 3ds.com. There's a ton of information more there. There's more we can get you if you need more, but start there.